Hello everyone. So let's see what is the today's problem is. The today's problem is print Fibonacci numbers till n. So let's see what is the Fibonacci number is. So the Fibonacci number is like this way, that 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, this way it will running till n. If the value of n is like 6, that means it will print still 6 times. What is happening here? Let's see. This is the first value, that is 0, and this is the second value, that is 1. In every Fibonacci series, the first value will still remain 0 and second value will still remain 1. Then we will do some operations to find out the next values. Like if we add 0 plus 1, we get 1. If we add then 1 plus 1, we will get 2. If we add 1 plus 2, we will get 3. If we add 3 plus 5, we will get 8. That means we are adding up the number with its previous number, and then we are getting the third number. This is the concept. So what we will do? At first we will create a variable a and put the value 0 there, and then we will also create the value b and variable b and put the value 1 here. Then we have to do something that we will get the next value, that a plus b is equal to 1. We will do something. So let's go to the screen and see what I am doing. So first take how many times we are going to printing the Fibonacci series. Or for that, take the input of n, scn dot scn dot next int dot next int. Now take the first value in int first value is equal to 0, and the second value int s second value is equal to 1. Let's run the loop through n times. Int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. It will loop through n times. Now first we are going to print out the first value like a, and then we are going to do some operation. Let's see what I am doing. System dot out dot println first value, and then the next line, and the next line we are going to change, we are going to add these two. So int the third value will first value plus second value, and we are going to change the first value to the second value and the second value to the third value. Second value to the third value. I think many of you guess it that what I am trying to say. If you don't understand it, don't worry, I will clearly explain to you. Let's see. Firstly, the value of a is f is 0. First is 0 and the second is 1. Then we will come inside the loop and check and print out the value of first. So print out the value of first 0, and then create a third variable, and add the first plus second, that is 1. Let's check. Now we are changing the first value to 1 because we are only printing the first value. So after the 0, what will be the value? The value will be 1. And in the second place, we are also storing the third value, that is 1. So now in the first value is also 1 and second value is also 1. Then the loop will execute and it will print out the 1 and change the third value to, this is 1, this is 1. So 1 plus 1 to 2. Now the third value is 3. Now the third value is 3, but the first value is changed to 1 and the second value is changed to 3, because as we stored the value in T, the value 3, so I will store 3 in the S. This will go again and again and print out 0, 1, 1, then 2, then 3, then 5, this way. So that is all about the code. Now run the code and check it is working or not. Check it is working or not. Okay, I did some mistake here. Okay, I miss a square bracket. No, sorry, second bracket. Yes, it giving the right output. Now submit it. So here you can see this is giving me the right answer. Hope all of you understand the question and also the solution. So I will see you in the next video.